Hi guys, Brandon here from Brandon Tech Talk. So today I shall be telling you about how to set up your WhatsApp for disappearing messages. Before we go to the settings, I'll just show you a few things or let you know about certain things about WhatsApp and disappearing messages. This disappearing messaging facility has been available with other messengers like Telegram and Signal since a long time actually. Messages, in this case, they disappear in 7 days. In others, actually, you can control it quite well. Like you can control it for 10 seconds, your messages will disappear in 10 seconds or 10 minutes or a week or 10 days. But in this WhatsApp disappearing messages facility, we can not control that, and it is only controlled by the WhatsApp people, and it disappears in 7 days. Why do they have this facility? Because this is something to do with our control over privacy, and also it also prevents clutter. Otherwise, you can have lots of messages lying around in your chats, so you can control those, or every week all the clutter is gone. So that was the probably reason why this has been done. But the governments and authorities are not that happy because they might lose evidence in cases of criminal activities. Anyway, more on that some other time. There are certain limitations. One of them is that if somebody takes a screenshot, that can be saved. So it's not really disappeared, it's somewhere if a screenshot has been taken. So if you forward the message to someone, that person actually, if he doesn't have the disappearing messages on, it will stay with that person for as long as it stays. Even otherwise, that person can actually take a screenshot, so the message is still there. Then you can save it in your gallery. It doesn't disappear when the messages disappear after 7 days. That photograph or the message or screenshot doesn't disappear from the gallery. But the only thing is that we cannot control those 7 days. 7 days means 7 days, and we don't have any controls on that. Now let's move on to how to do the settings on WhatsApp. And I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I think even on Android phones or other phones, the settings should be something like this only, and you can easily figure it out. You go to the phone, you unlock your phone, you go to the chat, and then you tap on the name at the top, and then you go down to disappearing messages, and you can toggle it on or off. It says here that turning on this setting will make your messages disappear from this chat after 7 days. Recipients can still save these messages elsewhere. This is the same thing, that the recipient can save it somewhere else, so it's not really under your control. So that was it. Quite simple to do. Thank you very much. If you liked the video, please do tap on like button. Please do share it, and also please do subscribe if you still haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Adios.